Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video demonstrates how to create a cost plan report based on data already stored in UniPhi. From your Projects Document tab, press the New button. From your list of templates, select the Cost Plan Report, and then click Create. As with all UniPhi templates, the list of defined steps is shown on the right-hand side of the screen. Each step uses a different control to draw upon the information stored in UniPhi. In this example, the cost plan report will display budget information, executive summary, informative graphs and tables, as well as a summary of existing issues. Here are two examples of the available graphs. Notice that in the benchmark section, the controls can be adjusted so as to display projects that match your requirements. Costs may also be displayed to the appropriate depth level. Issues are filtered by category. Once the document has been populated with contents, you can save it as a PDF and review the contents. And here is your cost plan report, produced in approximately 2 minutes. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.